Did you know that most candidates lose the interest of the interviewer within the first 30 seconds? Why? Because they fumble on the classic, tell me about yourself. So, I am here to help you answer that question with the help of AI. Now, with the help of AI, you will have the answer to this very particular question tailor-made for you. Yes, I will tell you the correct prompts to use and the correct AI platform to use. So, in this video, we are going to learn how and which platform to use for us to get the perfect answers when any interviewer is asking question. First of all, I am very sure we have all heard of Google Gemini. So, Gemini is a large language model that basically helps you give really good answers when it comes to basic questions and conversations and also emails. So, we will head on to Gemini. That is going to be our first step. Step number 2 is the prompt that you're going to write. If you're a fresher, you are going to write this exact prompt. I am a recent graduate in, and then you're going to mention your degree, looking for a job, and then you're going to mention the industry. Help me craft a strong response to tell me about yourself that highlights my education, skills, and enthusiasm for the role. Again, this is the prompt for freshers. What if you are an experienced professional? What will you do then? Then you are going to give this prompt. I have X years of experience in this particular industry and I'm applying for a role. You're going to mention the role or the position. Help me craft a concise and impactful tell me about yourself answer that showcases my expertise, achievements, and career goals. That's it. These are the 2 prompts that you need for you to have a very good answer to this tell me about yourself that is not only tailor-made for you, but is also going to give the person who's taking an interview an interest in you. Alright? Now, setting aside the technical side, how do you manage to keep someone interested in the conversation? Please remember that it is you and only you who drives the interview. So please refrain from using anything that you are not very sure about. So suppose you're in a technical field, I'm just giving an example. You're in the technical field and you are going to apply for a job for a MERN stack developer. And somewhere down the line, you're a fresher and you're not that sure about Mongo. So when you're speaking, make sure you mention Mongo at the very beginning and at the end, you mention the language or the framework that you are the most comfortable in. That is how you keep someone interested and also drive the interview to your power. So fear not, I am going to share both the prompts in the caption of this video and follow me for more tips like this because I am going to dive into different questions, both technical and non-technical, and I'm going to help you out with different prompts and different AI platforms to help you crack the interview so that you can get your dream job. Thank you so much. Please keep following me.